Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. Today's gonna be different. It's hot right now. It's hot. I'm trying to stay clear of drama, just to put it in so many words. So today we're gonna talk about something wholesome. And we are going to do some makeup. So I have some errands and things to run today. So I was just gonna do my makeup. And I was going to answer a Q&A because I asked Instagram for questions for a Q&A, and I didn't get enough. I felt like I didn't get enough questions to do a full video, so I just looked up some. I just looked up some really fun, quirky, Q&A questions online. So I have my iPad here. I'm going to do my makeup, and then we're going to answer some of these Q&A questions. So the first question is, what's your most embarrassing moment, or what's something that embarrassed you the most? I'm a pretty open person. I don't get embarrassed easy. I fall in public. Y'all see I fell like a week ago at the gas station. I'm trying to think what embarrasses me. I do remember one time I went on a date with this guy, and long story short, I don't know what happened. I don't even remember having that many drinks, but I just started throwing up. I threw up everywhere. It was all over him. It was all over me. It was bad. I don't even remember why I started throwing up. I don't know if I just mixed drinks or I didn't eat enough, but I do remember that was a really long time ago. But that was really embarrassing. I was so embarrassed. Next question is, who do you look up to the most, and what are the best qualities you love about that person? I have to say Rihanna, of course. I already knew y'all knew I was gonna say that. I just love her so much. I just feel like she embodies who I am. She's beautiful. She's a businesswoman. Her music is lit. Everything about her. She's always been herself. She's unapologetic. Every interview, she's the same. People love her because of her. She's very blunt. She doesn't let anybody walk over her. She does what she wants. She says what she wants. She's a boss bitch. What is your biggest fear? I think I've said this before in another video, but my biggest fear is being a baby mama. That's my biggest fear. I don't want to be nobody baby mama. I don't want a baby daddy. I just hate that term. I never wanted that life for myself. I never wanted that. I can't. Some of the stuff that my friends deal with, or people I know, just the drama of it all, and I already don't like confrontation, y'all. I just can't. I could never. I couldn't. That's my biggest fear. Who was the last person that made you cry? The last person that made me cry was probably my ex. Name a time that you have been, or what does it say? When have you felt the most proud? I feel the most proud anytime I post something and get a comment or a like. I feel really proud because you guys can be watching anybody, but y'all are choosing to, come check out my shit. And I feel really proud of that. Anytime somebody, pays me for a Music Monday or something like that, I feel really proud because people are paying me because they see the value in what I do. And that makes me feel so proud of myself because I'm self-taught on everything. Self-taught vlogger. I don't know if you really have to be taught that. Self-taught on editing. Nobody even told me how to edit. I learned all of that on my own. And it just makes me proud because I came such a long way. If you had 3 wishes, what would they be? So if I had 3 wishes, my first wish would be that I can speak every language ever. I want to be able to speak every single language. I want to be able to communicate with any and literally everybody. I would wish for success. So I would wish that I was very wealthy and successful. And I would wish for world peace. So I would wish for peace all over the world. I would wish there's no war, there's no anger, there's no racism, there's nothing. It's just world peace all over. And everybody has what they want. And they're world happiness. That's my 3 wishes. What's the worst you've been physically hurt? That's a really weird question to be on this thing. I'm not lying. A long time ago, when I was in an abusive relationship, this really hurt. One of my ex-boyfriends punched me in the face, and my lip split in half. Like it split, and I had to get stitches. So I had several stitches going all the way up. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert: churros, strawberry cheesecake, snickerdoodles, which is like a churro cookie. You can change one thing about yourself, what would it be? I wish I could be mean to people. I wish I was a bitch. Like, I wish I could just be like, I wish I was more assertive when it comes to myself. Like, I'm quicker to pop off to speak for somebody else than to speak for myself. Like, I don't know. I just wish I was a little bit more. I would change and make myself a little bit more of a bitch. Like, a little bit more assertive. Any phobias? Y'all know I don't like birds. Y'all know this. What's your idea of the best date ever? Okay, so I want a day because I need to know if I can tolerate you for the whole day without you getting on my nerves. So I want to go to breakfast, and then after we go to breakfast, we can go to the movies, and then after we go to the movies, then we can go to the mall, and then after we go to the mall, we can go get some drinks. And then after we get drinks, we can go to like an art museum or like some kind of museum or something like, or an art show or something like that. And then we can have dinner. And then after dinner, then we can go out and go dancing or something like that. And then you can take me home. It'll be like a really fun, perfect day. And then that'll give me enough time to kind of deal with you for the whole day to see if I really even like you. And then it'll just cut down on people's time being wasted, because I'm not about to just go to dinner with you, go to lunch with you one day, go to breakfast with you another day. Like all these little days where we can put it all in one day, and then we can jump off from there. I'm not gonna base everything off that one day, but it'll give me a pretty good idea. I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I mean, this is all I'm gonna be doing today. I don't like to get like a full face every single day because I feel like it takes the effect away. Like, if you do like a full face every day and then people are used to seeing you like that, and then when you get all dressed up, it's like, meh. But then if you like, play it down most of the time, and then when you do get dressed up, then people are like, damn. So I've been playing it down lately. I'm gonna just put on a little bit more mascara, and then that's gonna be it. This is gonna be the last question. And the last question is, where do I see myself in the future? And in the future, I hope would be ideal that, my channel starts taking off and I can just focus on, content. I really want to start traveling a lot more, just even outside of YouTube or anything like that. I just really want to start traveling a lot more. I used to travel so much, you guys. Every month I was in a different fucking city. I used to travel so much. And then I don't know what happened, I just stopped. And so I really want to start doing that again. I want to work on getting my passport because I'm trying to see some places, And I still want to stay here in Arizona. I love it here. I just want to travel. I just see myself traveling a lot more like when I used to. But I'm glad I got a lot of traveling done when I was younger. Like when I was a little bit younger. Like when I was like 20, like 18. I was like traveling a lot. I went to all the places in the United States that I've always wanted to go. LA, New York, of course Chicago. I lived up there by Chicago. But like all the major cities I pretty much hit. But I'm ready to go. Like I'm ready to just see more of the world. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next